Hello, this is Dave with TC Life Safety, and this is another Ask Dave video. Only on this video, I need to ask you to give me feedback on a product that I would like to talk to you about. Now, obviously, you've got to this point, you're on Facebook. Hopefully you read some of the stats that I put in the post on Facebook before you clicked on the video. If not, you can go back and look at it. But there's a big chunk of fires that are caused obviously by electrical failures. And 57% of the electrical fires happen in distribution panels or breaker boxes, as we know them. That happens because of old wiring, bad connections. There's a myriad of reasons why wiring is going to overheat and eventually burn through the breaker box and cause a problem without causing enough of a circuit disruption to trip the breaker. You hear about it all the time. You see pictures of breaker boxes that are just a powder inside because of all the high heat that's been there for so long. Well, I have a product that's going to allow us to get some early detection into these breaker boxes. And it's a product called the Hotspot. It's manufactured by Ramtech out of the UK. And the Hotspot is it's a detection device. It's a heat detector. It's a heat detector with a form factor that allows you to mount it inside your breaker box next to or right above your wiring. And here's a 2-point hotspot right here. Now, you see there's holes right here. If you were to mount that, you'd mount those holes, hovering above the terminal connections, so that if the wiring gets heated up, you'll be able to detect that, which is kind of what we want to do. How does it work? Well, like I said, it's a heat detector. Let me show you the inside of this thing. Inside of it is a little device like this, which is a spring-loaded, normally open contact. Okay, it's got a Eutechnic metal in there that'll melt at around 176 degrees Fahrenheit, 80 degrees Celsius. And it's spring-loaded so that it's normally open, and then when the spring is released, it shorts out. And here's the actual inside of the unit with the piece that fell out. But anyway, you'll see there's another one of those units right there. What'll happen is that there's the copper above and below, and it'll short those two contacts together. Those two contacts are connected to this 2-conductor wire, and you get a good size length of wire. And you could use that to, there's specifications on what type of breaker you can use it, but you can use it to short the breaker out and trip the breaker, killing the circuit. Or you can use it to go to a fire alarm, go to a monitor module on an addressable, or go directly to a zone on a fire alarm panel, and get early warning when the heat on those connections that this is hovering over, again, reaches 176 degrees or 80 degrees Celsius. The Hotspot comes in a couple of different flavors. It comes in just a single unit, a single connection, which looks like a little bullet. It also comes in this 2-point configuration. I have here a 6-point, and it also comes in a 4-point as well as an 8-point. So it's single 2, 4, 6, 8-point strips. And again, this 6-point strip, which would cover 3 breakers, has a single pair of wires on it, so that strip of 3 breakers would be 1 point that's being delivered out to the fire alarm panel or whatever else is monitoring it. So that's kind of the long and the short of it. It's a heat detector. It's a heat detector with a form factor to fit inside your breaker box. Let me know what you think. Comment on the Facebook post that you're reading this on or watching this on. And let me know what you think. I'm going to put this out to the fire alarm guys. I'm going to put it out to electrical contractors, electricians. I'd really like you guys to give me some feedback on what you think about this. I'm really seriously considering bringing this on as a product. And whatever feedback you can give me would be fantastic in helping me make that decision. Other than that, if you have any questions, please give me a call at 800-837-8175. Love to talk to you. All right, guys, have a life safety day. Sorry, guys and ladies, have a life safety day. Thanks. Bye.